Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can equip walking animation on Roblox for your avatar. Okay, first you're going to open up your Roblox application, and then you're going to go to your avatar, and you're going to go to the animation right here. Okay, select animation, and then you're going to search for the walking animation. And you can search it right here, guys. You can also filter the price. If you want to get free animation, you can add 0 to the price. Okay, and these are the animations that you can use for free. If you want to get the walking animation, just go to the search menu right here, and then you can search for walking animation. But wait, let me try the free animation. Let's try this one. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Oops. Sorry. Yeah, I just get the free free animation. Okay, and I'm going to search for the walking animation. Okay, these are the walking animations that we can use, but most of them are not free, guys. We need to have a Robux to purchase the animation, but that's okay. I'm going to try it. Oh, and let's try this one. Yeah, it's very fun. And okay guys, that's how you can equip walking animations for your avatar on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.